everybody, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this video, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. So yeah, I just say me I quickly drop one advice, general advice for everybody. You know, say this coronavirus time now, all of us dey for house, and as we dey for house, so many people go use opportunity take fat. So make I just quick advice una. If you no want make you fat, this will not be the time to eat mixture. You understand me? Not be say one soup wey you want eat, see one plate of soup wey you serve say you want eat. Roundabout go dey inside, shaki go dey inside, pomo go dey inside, cow head go dey inside, the leg go dey inside, shiki go dey inside, fish go dey inside. In short, all the different type of meat go dey inside that plate of soup wey you want eat for one meal. Especially women, now this message even they go for direct. If you eat and finish now, you call fat for everywhere. You no go fit control yourself again. No, you understand? Just eat little. Just eat when you know say normal way when they say they eat. Come say you go just pack everything they eat like a gluten. You understand? Just watch what you they eat. Control your food. You understand? Not this one be time of they eat assorted meat. You go just full inside. You just they cook stew. All the different type of meat go full inside there. My sister, my brother, and yourself, you they do. At the end of the day, you will come see say you get uncontrollable fatness, and fatness not good. Fatness they affect our health. You understand? If you fat too much, fat full everywhere. Excess of fat, so say it can't reach the stage where they own oyibo they call obesity. It not good though. Now one, it go shorten your lifespan. You understand? That person go quit die because he go they get heart attack too much. You understand? Too much of fat. You understand? So the heart no go fit they pump well, they distribute blood to other parts of the body. No go fit they do that work because fat don't do too much. Especially that red meat, that cow meat. You understand? It's not too good. Just little of it. Una hear me? Not be say you want eat rice. Instead that rice, beans dey inside. Plantain go dey inside. Salad dey one corner. Egg dey one place. Fish dey one place. Assorted meat dey one place. My brothers and sisters, it's not good though. This will not be the time to eat mixture. Stay at home, stay safe, and also keep fit. Do exercise. Exercise is very, very important. If you not get the exercise machine, come down for your compound, stroll around at least, even though na 50 times, you just stay stroll around. Just that one na still exercise. Dancing self na still exercise. Play music, dance, check your body. Play music, not be say you go play a lot where they disturb your neighbor. No, just play a small, just dance, shake your body. You understand? That one na still part of exercise. Exercise, walk, clean hands, do some kind of work where maybe you go breathe sweat, better sweat come out for your body. You understand? No wait till you they hit. Let me say morning when you wake up, you will first drink tea. That one na to step down that tea. Then after you don't drink that tea finish, you never too tea. You carry drum of rice, eat. In the afternoon, you carry drum of yam and beans, eat. In the evening, you make a basin of semo, you eat. And you say you want keep fit. It's not good there. Now yourself now you they destroy. You understand? So because once that fatness don't come, once you don't expand that belly, you don't, because as you they eat now, so you they expand your belly. You understand? Once you don't expand that your belly finish, so tell all those this thing where your belly not too wide. Not the few old small food they get. Before you know you don't be hungry. Before you know now so fatness say they start my brothers and sisters. So once you don't expand all those this thing where your belly finish, they eat anyhow. Before you know you can't blow full everywhere. You cut on to blow. You understand? Summer go come now. You know, feel you be woman. You want to look sexy. You want to dress. You understand? You know, feel dress again. You can't defend different. They get up or get to say they press belly. And you know, coffee breathe where you call you're comfortable. You understand? So if you know, say you want to look good, you want to keep fit, because fitness is also good in our health. You understand me? Fitness dey very very good for our health. You understand? So let me say go dey gather fat, dey gather fat for body. All the body organs go come, some of the body organs no go dey function well because too much of fat dey no fit come dey do their duty well, especially heart. Na heart na dey distribute blood to other parts of the body. When you gather fat full, e no fit dey do e work again. You understand? So just keep fit. For this coronavirus time, they say stay at home, stay indoors, no work, nothing. As we stay at home, we say we are just dey there, the lazy about to drum of semo, basin of rice, mixture of meat, assorted shake, everything go complete for inside. I beg my brothers and sisters, stay safe and also keep fit. Ciao, grazie. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell. Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye.